I have to go back to the kitchen and cook the dinner. My husband will be back soon. It's his short day, you see?
Oh, really? I thought his short day was tomorrow, not today.
How do you know that?
Just a lucky guess. But you've just confirmed it, haven't you?
Yes. I forgot. Oh, it's not that I wanted to get rid of you. It's still raining. Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
I'll go and put the kettle on.
Good idea. Hello? No, I'm afraid you've got the wrong number. Goodbye. That was for you, but I thought when I picked it up it might be embarrassing for you, having a man in the house. So, I told him it was a wrong number. I hope we won't be disturbed again.
Well, you shouldn't have answered it in the first place. And what do you mean, you hope we won't be disturbed again? You'll be going soon.
I'm not in any hurry. Have you put the kettle on?
Just a minute.
You mustn't run out in such rain. You catch your death of cold. Surely the matter can wait, whatever it is.
Do you want some cake?
Not too sharp. Good. Should be just right.